If we look at this workflow, we can see the starting task is active and ready to be completed. Let's go into tasks and see that there are multiple actions available for each task under actions. Accept this first task. This means that the task is visible to the entire responsibles group. Once accepted, the option becomes set task on hold and the task status becomes accepted. Click View Workflow to see the color has changed to teal to signify it being accepted. As a task has been accepted by the user, only this user can complete or interact with the task. If a task is not deemed necessary or impossible to complete, we can use the reject function. When a task is rejected, the status is changed to rejected. Press OK to reject the task. And let's find the task to see the status. Since there's no filter for rejected tasks, we're going to sort by all tasks. And here you can see the rejected task. By clicking View Workflow, we can see that this task has changed to red to signify it being rejected. Now let's look at an identical workflow. Same as last time, the starting task is active. If you have another user you think should complete the task, you can use forward task and forward the task to them. This can be either a group or a single user. We're going to do ECM users for this example. Click on OK. And the task is now forwarded to the ECM users. If we review the workflow, we can see the task has changed from responsibles admin to ECM users. Since I have previously added this user to the group ECM users, I am able to complete the task. So press complete. And let's view the workflow to see the color has changed to green in the starting task as well as the auto tasks to signify it being completed. Sometimes you encounter a task which does not make sense to complete in the specific use case, but the remaining overall workflow is required. In this case, a task can be set as not applicable. This allows the workflow to progress while also clearly showing that the task has not been completed since it was not necessary. View the workflow to see that the color has changed to a pale yellow to signify it being not applicable.